Welcome students. Under ethology, today we are going to learn about human behavior. Hello students, do you want to excel in maths and science? We have some don't memorize courses for you which can help you in preparation of maths and science. I have given the links in the description and you can avail 90% of the discount from all these courses. And if you will use this coupon code, you will get extra 10% discount on all the courses. Don't memorize courses are part of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. What all external and internal stimuli responses and their observation and study governed by this scientist, and they have concluded some of the behavior pattern of the human. Now, humans show same types of behavior as other animals, but human behavior is often more complex because we are more intelligent and aware of themselves. We are aware about our surroundings, we are aware about the predators, we are aware about the code of conduct, and we are more intelligent than the animals, and that's why our behavior is complex compared to the other animals. So under human behavior, we are going to learn three different behavior, that is instinct, imitation and conditioning. So let us understand all these three behavior of the human with its example and its detail. Let us start with the first behavior, and that is instinct. So humans have instinct, but it is possible for humans to overcome the natural urges to follow certain behavior. Now first let us understand these three different example. Hunger. If we are feeling hungry, but we will not start eating at any place at any point of time. We will wait for a certain place, for example dining table. So we will reach till the dining table, we will sit properly and then we will start eating. If we are at some other place, not at our home or not the proper place to eat, then also we will wait for the place or wait for the time to come to eat, and then only we will satisfy our hunger. So our instinct will say that we are hungry, but we will wait for the specific time and specific place, so that we have changed our instinctual behavior. Second, sleep. We are feeling sleepy, but it has not yet the time to go to bed. So we will finish whatever work we are doing, we will finish the work and then we will go to bed. So this behavior we have changed, we have overcome sleepiness. And why? Because to follow certain behavior. Tiredness. We are tired in the middle of the road, but we have not yet reached till our home. So we will not sit at middle of the road. We will go home and we will take rest. We are not following our natural urges to follow certain behavior, and we will change it little bit. We will fulfill it after some time because we have some code of conduct, we have some manners to follow. So our instinctual behavior and animals' instinctual behavior is almost same, but we can change it. We are changing it to follow certain behavior. Second human behavior is imitation. We know that people often imitate each other, but it's not always good. Sometimes it is good, sometimes it is bad. When it is good, when it will help them to learn something new. For example, you are learning sport, you are learning new language, then imitation will be helpful for you. Then imitation will be helpful for a student who is learning new skill, to imitate a teacher, to imitate a guide, who are suggesting some new changes. So in that particular situation or in those kind of situation, it will be helpful. But it also helps them to show less useful behavior. When the situation like this, that young ones addicted to smoking or robbery or steal something. So all these situations are unpleasant experiences. They will learn via imitating others, and this will lead them to harmful situation. So copying each other to fit in can lead to a harmful condition. So it's not always a pleasant experience, it's not always a good to imitate other. This behavior is not always helpful. It is depending upon which kind of imitation the person is performing or which kind of imitation is helpful for the person. If it is for learning something new, then it is good for them, and if it is leading to some harmful situation or harmful experiences, then it will not be good. Our third human behavior is conditioning. So conditioning can change the behavior of people. Let us take one simple example, that full day at a school, half day at a school and holiday at a school. So this will be the conditional behavior for the student. When there will be a holiday, student will not go to school. When there will be a full day and half day, respectively the hours will change and student will follow those hours. So coming to school and leaving the school will be conditioned by hours. So this behavior can come in conditioning behavior. Now let us take one another example, that by associating product with famous actor or a person, we often see many advertisement in which we can see our favorite actor or actress or any known person or sports person will be there. We have seen them selling the products. So what advertiser will do? Advertiser set conditioned response to their product. Because we like that person, because we like that sports personality, we will buy that product and we will use that product. So our response has been conditioned by the advertiser. Because we like that person, we will buy that product what they are selling. So this response to the product has been conditioned by the advertiser to us. So this behavior has been conditioned, this behavior's response has been conditioned. So conditioning can change the behavior of the people. If in the advertisement they are not taking any popular person, that our response will be changed. We may not purchase that particular product. So our response has been conditioned by the advertiser by using that specific actor or person in that advertisement. So three human behavior we have seen, that is instinct, imitation and conditioning. Instinct will be there, but to follow certain code of conduct we will change our instinctual behavior. Imitation can lead to a harmful situation when we will imitate blindly and wrong situation or wrong person. Then conditioning can be changed like this, that our response can be changed as per conditioned response has been set into a situation. Hope you have understood the concept well for a human behavior from ethology. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below. Follow us for more important and useful content.